Come test drive the 2014 Encore. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.